We have made an agreement with another system lord named Gaul. If we give him the location of this world, he will bring a fleet and destroy Anubis.
You propose to bring more of these Goa'uld to our world?
For the moment, Anubis is vulnerable. He has but one ship and is preoccupied. But he believes his position to be secure because he knows the other system lords are unaware of this place.
And if Anubis is destroyed, how do we know this ball will leave us alone?
That is part of the agreement.
You say we cannot negotiate with Anubis, and these Goa'uld cannot be trusted.
And yet you ask us to trust in them.
Your world is facing an imminent threat.
Kelowna is facing an imminent threat. There are no alien ships in the skies above Tirania.
See what we have to deal with.
Haven't you guys ever heard the story of the dog and the dancing monkeys? Has something to do with getting along and dancing. Carter.
Mine.
With all due respect,
Mine.
Mr. Ambassador, when Anubis comes looking for
Mine.
more Quadria, he is not going to respect any borders. He will tear this planet apart piece by piece if he has to.